Greeting, adventurers. I am the apprentice, and today I have hair that is like digging into my eye. It's very frustrating. We come to the Dark Lord of Beard Care. Soap. I love that. It is soap. It's funny to me. I'm going to skip over this next paragraph because it talks about what beard oil is, and I feel like that's dumb because everybody knows what that is. You know, really obvious cue cards. We'll see. It helps keeping it healthy. It helps hydrated. I can read. I can do this. Brushing in the oil can lead... Why am I not? They argue that the act of brushing can cause the hairs to break and become brittle. Can lead to... No, why am I blanking on this? The act of brushing can cause the hairs to break and become brittle. That's so easy. The act of brushing can... Can't... Fuck. They can fuck. That's what the hairs can do. They argue... Why is my hand on my hip? Greeting... I want to center myself a bit more, and I feel as though my hood and stuff is everywhere. Myths are tested and legends are born. I just can't do everything word for word. It won't work out. Today we will be answering that age-old question. Why can't I remember the age-old question? Apparently it's not that old of a question. Today we will be Today we will... With its bristles of wonder and its handle of power. This is so corny, but I'm loving it. Sorry. I've got to do that paragraph. I've got to do that for this video. It's very fun. The truth is... The truth. The truth? You want the truth? You can't handle the truth. Jack Nicholson. A Few Good Men. And let's not forget the aesthetic. I need to enunciate a bit better here. The question is... The answer of the question is at hand. Greeting, Braves and... Braves? Off to a great start. Well, my friends, I do hate saying facial supremacy, so I might want to start that whole thing over and just to fix that one part, but we'll see. Good day, adventurers. I'm the apprentice, and I will be your guide in everything for perfecting... finding the perfect beard care routine. That is not what I'm talking about today. It's not what I'm talking about today. And today I will be talking to you about something. First on the list of sin of this is the sin. They may do these things to the point of exhaustion. These cheaper products again, it's kind of the same adventurer can do in order... Not in order to damage their beard. I don't want them to damage their beard. That can strip away the natural oils. I've already went over this. Found out the other day that it's pronounced ho-ho, like H-O-H-O-B-A oil. So that other video where we talked about that kind of oil, I looked like a dumbass. Brushing your beard helps distribute the oils. I'm gonna start becoming drunk. Well, that is where the magic of a beard brush will come in. That was grammatically incorrect in every way. Good sense of beard maintenance. Okay, that was okay. Except for my face was half covered the entire time. Good luck on that one. Thank you very much for your work.